Kids, how are you? Hope everyone fine. I hope you saw the last two videos and you're clear the concept, right? Good. So we are going to learn chapter 1. We are in chapter 1, large numbers. And in this video we are going to learn about rounding numbers. Okay, the subtopic is rounding numbers. What is rounding numbers and how we are going to do that we are going to learn in this video. Okay, rounding numbers. So the rounding numbers of a number, the rounding numbers means that comes nearest to the actual number. One number will be given. Okay, one number, that is the actual number. One number will be given. So nearest to that number, you will convert that actual number. One number will be given and you will convert that number to the nearest. Okay, you will you will make it as a complete number, not like ones or tens or hundreds. So based on the need, we will round off the numbers. So in this we have three types rounding to the nearest tens. So tens we can round off, rounding to the nearest 100, rounding nearest to the 10, rounding nearest to the 100, and rounding nearest to the 1000. Okay, so we are going to learn rounding numbers. Rounding numbers means we will make it as another number which is nearest to that given number. Okay, so that have some rules that we'll learn next. So in that we have three types. One is rounding of tens, rounding of hundreds, and rounding of thousands. This is rounding of nearest tens. So this is the basic number ending in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if the number ends with 1, 2, 3, 4. In nearest 10 means you have to see the next number. 10 means you should not see the 10. We are converting the 10. Okay, we are rounding the 10. So we have to see the next number. So we have to see the ones place. To convert nearest to 10, you have to see the place of ones. Okay, if the ones place is 1, 2, 3 or 4, we have to round it down. We have to reduce the number. We have to round it to the nearest below number. If the number ending with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 get rounded up, you have to increase the number. Okay, if 1, 2, 3, 4 ends means you have to reduce the number. If it is ending with 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to increase the number. Like see here, 27, rounding of 27. See here 2, that place only we are going to change, that is tens place. To do the tens place, we have to see the ones place, not the tens place. Okay, so to convert tens place, we have to see the next number, that is ones place. Ones place we have 7. So if we have 7, we have to round up. Round up means the next round number, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That is the round number. So next round number means 20. So next number 30. We will round it as 30. Okay, 27 we are rounding as 30 because it ends with 7. Now 94, it comes in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means we have to get down. So we have to go for backwards. If it is higher, we can go forward. If not, backward. When you are going backward, you will get 90. The before number is 90. 146. We are rounding the tens place, right? So we have to compare the ones place. Ones place we have 6. So the 46 will become 50. If the ones place is 3, like 43, it will go like 140. Only one word and only one rule. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to reduce the number. If 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to increase to the next nearest number. Nearest for tens is 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, these are the words. These are the numbers we can round off in the tens place. Okay, so next 305. 5 is there, so we can make it as 05, tens place, right? So 05. 5 means we can make it as 10. So it will become 310. See the ending, 8 is there, 68, so we can call it as 70. 132, 2 is there, so we have to reduce it, so it will become 130. 565, 5 is there, so we can increase to the, that is round up, so 570. 481, 481, 1 is there, so we have to round it down, so 480 is the answer. So the same rule is applicable for all the hundreds and thousand. Only thing is, for nearest 10 means we will use the number as tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If nearest 100 means 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay, we will complete as a hundreds. See here. So if the number ends with 0 or 10 or 20s or 30s or 40s, na, we have to round it down. If it is above 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, we have to round up. So as I said before, when we are doing for when we done for tens place, we compare the ones place. Same like that, when you are doing for hundreds place, you have to take these two numbers. 37 will comes with the down right here. So when making it as down, it will become nearest 100 means 200. You have to take fully or you have to add fully. Like it can become 200 or 300, not with 250, 275, 225, nothing. It will become as 200 or 300. That's it. Next number 874. 74. So it crosses a 5. So it will become 900. 536, which is less than 50. So it will become 500. 350. So it crossed 50. So 400. So the last two numbers we have to see and convert it. 1168. So the 168 will be converted as 200. So the answer will be 1,200. Here 2032. 32 is small, so we have to round down. So it will become 2000. 5750. Then the 750 will become 800. So the answer is 5800. And here 40,081. 81 is there. We are rounding up the 100. So be clear in that. Don't see compare with other numbers. We are doing for 100. So 0. The 81 crosses 50, right? So it is rounding up. So 40,100. So only we have to concentrate with the hundreds place. When they are asking you to round off to the nearest 100. So the same we are going to do for 1000. So nearest 1000 means it will be 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, like that it will become a complete 1000. So for that, to get for 1000, we have to compare the 100. We have to see the 100, whether that 100 is more than 500 or less than 500. If more than 500, we have to round up. If less than 500, we have to round down. Here 2800, 800. So it crosses 500. So that will become 3000. Here 4800. So it cross 800 means we have to round up. So 5000. 5376. 5376. 300, which is less than 500. So we have to round it down. So the answer will be 5000. Next 7500. 500. So it comes 500. So it will be increased, round up. So 8000. 7500 will become 8000. And next question 1800. 800. So it crosses 500. So it will become up 2000. Even we have 2499. Even 499 also, see the place of 100, it is 4. When it comes 4, we have to round it down. So the answer is 2000. Here, even it is a 29,000, we have to see the place value of 100 only. See the 100. 780. 780. So 700, it crossed 500. So the 29, next number 30,000. 45,000 is there. 600 is there. 600 which crosses 500. So 45,000, round off it's 46,000. I hope you are clear with these things. Round off number means 10. To round off 10, we have to see ones. To round off 100, we have to see tens place. To round off 1000, we have to see hundreds place. That is the next place value. Okay. And if the place value is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 means downward down. We have to reduce and find the nearest. If 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means we have to round up the given number. So the same for 100. 100 means 10, 20, 30, 40. If it is 10, 20, 30, 40, we have to round down. If it is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, we have to round up. So same for nearest 1000. 1000 means we have to compare the hundreds, right? So 100, 200, 300, 400 na we have to reduce, round down. 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 means we have to round up. Okay, clear? Shall we try some problems? I hope you have understood the rounding numbers of tens, 100, 1000. Here if you see that it is a general thing when the number is below 5. Like 4, 3, 2, 10 or 40, 30, 20, 10 or 400, 300, 200, 100. So when it is below 5, we have to round it down. If it is more than 5, we have to round up to the number. Okay, nearest up, nearest down. Okay, let's see the problems. So they have given the question and the number which we have to round off is colored with red. So as I said, when we are converting the number, we have to see the next number. So to convert 3, I have to see the next number. The next number is 2. 200. So it is less than 500, right? It is less than 500. So we have to make it as a rounded down. So the answer will become 43,000. So nearest 1000 is 43,000. So this is the place value of 1000. So 3289. Nearest 1000 is 3000. So 43,000. Now 17,987. 17,987. Here they have given the number for 10,000. So if it is 10,000 means we have to go with the 10,000s like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Whether we can make it as 10,000 or we can make it as a 20,000. So to find that we have to see the next number. So the next number is 7. 7 which is above 5. So which is above 5 means we have to go for round up. So 10,000 is, we have to convert the 10,000. We have 10,000. So nearest up means round up. Next 10,000 is 20,000. So 17,987 can be rounded up as 20,000. Next we have 8,790. 8,790 and the 1000 we have to change. That is 1000 we have to round off. So after next number to 1000 is 700. So which is above 500. So we can make it as round up. So the 8000 will become 9000 when we are rounding up. And the next question, 54,327. We are rounding up the 10,000 place. So 10,000 place means the 54,000 will become 50,000 or 60,000. So to find that, we have to see the next number. Next number is 4, which is less than 5. So the number will become as 50,000. We can round that number as 50,000. And here 3,542. 3,542. To convert nearest to 1000, see the next number, 5 is there. If 5 is there, we can round up. So 3,500 will become 4,000. Okay. Finally, here we have in international system, it is 273,567. 273,567. In lakhs, in Indian, we call that as 2,73,567. So we can write it like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakhs. In lakhs only we can round off. To round off that, we got 2,73,000, right? So it may be 2 lakh or 3 lakh. Okay, the answer will be 2 lakh or 3 lakh, not in between. Even it is a bigger number, we have to round off to the nearest. So it may be round down or round up. That will be decided by the next number. So see here the next number after 2, it is 7, which is greater than 5. So we can round up. So nearest lakh or nearest 1000 is 300,000. The nearest 1000 is 300,000 or 3 lakhs. Hope you have enjoyed the rounding of number. I think it's little tricky and funny. So making more practice really create interest in this topic. Actually interested with the maths. Actually create interest with the maths. So try problems which is in book or which is from other source. Take and do more problems. If you got doubt, again see the video from the beginning. Okay, you can clearly understand the concept. Okay, good. So as we learned comparing numbers and extension of the system and international system, and finally we have finished with the rounding off. So do the revision for all the topics with a few more problems. Okay, so do well. All the best. Thank you.